You can now make full sticker sheets in Cricut Design Space like these. In this video, I'll show you how to use the templates in Cricut Design Space, and I'll show you how to make your own. Let's get into the tutorial over on Cricut Design Space. Cricut Design Space has a new sticker update. It's really exciting and I haven't heard that many people talk about it, so I want to show you how to use it in today's video. They've made quite a few changes in Cricut Design Space, and I did just recently upload a video showing how to navigate that. I'll link that in the description box. When you used to go into Cricut Design Space, you would just click New Project and it would take you to a blank canvas. So I'll show you an example of this. So it would go in and just show you this blank canvas. But now they have brought in all these different templates that you can pull in. And if you click on New Project, it gives you the option for these as well. At first, I wasn't a big fan of it. I thought it was kind of annoying, but I can see how this can be super helpful, especially if you're a beginner with Cricut. But today, I'm going to be talking about just the stickers. I'm going to click on it. They give you a few different options here. I'm going to make a different video with these labels. And in this video, I'm just going to talk about these decorative stickers. I'm not sure if you've seen this online, but people make full sticker sheets. A full sticker sheet, there's a design on the backing and the stickers are placed on that background. So you can kind of see it here. It has an orange background with some font and the stickers are on that instead of just a white sticker sheet. I'm going to click on this. You can see this works with an 8.5 by 11 sheet. I'll hit create. It'll give me a template that looks like this. What's nice about this is instead of that full Design Space grid, you can just add your stickers onto here and hit make. It makes it a lot easier because you don't have to come up with your own template. But what's even neater is you can do these full sheets now. So if I click on templates, you can see Cricut Design Space has a ton in here, 690, and these are really cute. They have some really cute backgrounds and stickers. So you can grab any of these and pull it into this Design Space. Let's say we'll do this one. What makes this really easy is if you like it, you can just hit make and you'll be good to go. I'm going to show you how you can edit these, but I'm also going to show you how you can make your own background in Canva and pull it into Cricut Design Space so you don't have to use Cricut's templates. But first, I'll show you exactly how to do this with Cricut's. The layers panel will be hidden, but you can click on it to find it. And in the layers panel, you can click on flowers, bird nest, and down at the bottom is the sticker backer. I'm just going to click on the butterfly. You can select edit sticker right here, or you can go to edit on the top. Then you'll want to click sticker. Here's where you can go in and edit. The first thing it says is a kiss cut. You do want these sticker images to be a kiss cut on a full sheet like this. What the kiss cut does is you can peel away that sticker image, but it'll still have that backing there. If you do a die cut, it's going to cut through the entire thing and it would pop that butterfly out of this backing. So that's why you want to do a kiss cut for this. But for this sticker backing, you can see it's set to a die cut. That's what you want because you want this full sheet cut out. It will make a lot more sense when I actually make it. But going back to the butterfly, I love that the sticker option will automatically create these offsets for us. This used to be a Cricut Access only feature, and now anybody can use it, which is really nice. I don't like how big the white is on here, so I can go in and edit that. What's nice is you can go in and edit the thickness of this, and this is a little big, so I'm going to do that. I'll click on custom. That's normally what I choose because it gives you a lot more leeway on what size to make it. Okay, I like that better. You can also change the border color, but for stickers, I typically like to just do white. Now I want to change all the other images to that same size. So I'm just going to double click in the inches. I'll hit Command C on my keyboard, then I'll go to the rest of them and do the same thing. I just want them to look all similar. Okay, that looks good. I can go into my stickers font and I can change the font, which is really nice. I can even go in and use one of my fonts that I've brought into Cricut Design Space. I can also change the color if I want to, but I am just going to keep it how it is. I can also bring in one of my uploaded images into here. Any image that you upload is going to automatically be a sticker. That's why it pulled in with this white background. So basically you have to make stickers if you're in this template, if that makes sense. So you can pull in your own images. The only thing I noticed that would be difficult for you to do on your own is make this sticker backer. So this is ready to go. I'm going to hit make. It's the perfect size, which is nice. I'll hit continue. This is gonna look the exact same. I want to keep my bleed on. I'll turn on my system dialog. And with this, I just always change the quality to best. I'll hit print and I'll show you how this cuts out. I'm using needle labels. This is the super glossy. Both sides feel glossy and it doesn't show the back. So I like to find the sticky side and put it the correct way in my printer. Cricut Design Space is only going to give you cut settings that's compatible with stickers and labels. So just an FYI if you like to use different settings. Also, there's a ton of printable settings. It's going to vary depending on what sticker paper you're using, your blade, machine. So it's kind of a pain. You definitely have to figure out what setting works best. I have had a lot of luck with the gray liner printing, so I'm using that, and you can adjust the kiss cut and die cut pressure. So like I said, that background is going to be using the die cut and the sticker images is going to be the kiss cut. I've tested this out and I think hitting more for this will be best and we'll see if it works. Here's what it looks like after it's printed. I'll place it on my Cricut mat and the machine will read the registration lines first, then cut out the stickers. Like I said earlier, the Cricut is going to do a kiss cut for the images like the nest, butterfly, rain boots. So that means I'll be able to just peel the sticker off the backing. When it gets to the decorative background, it's going to do that die cut where it's going to cut all the way through the backing. It's pretty cool that the Cricut can adjust the cut settings on the same cut. It cut the images just a little bit too much, you can see there, so the kiss cut wasn't perfect. I'm going to try not selecting more for the pressure next time. Now I'm going to go into Canva and show you how to make your own sticker backer. I'll hit create. I am just going to select 8.5 by 11, just a normal sheet. Then I'm going to click on my elements and I will search for spring background. You can really type in whatever you want. I think I'll actually type in pink background. I'm going to use this one. It's kind of hard to see. Let me click see all. You can click it and it'll pull it onto the screen, or you can drag it and it'll just automatically fill it for you. I do want to change the color to something different. Okay, I messed around with the colors and these are the ones I'm doing. I chose these two pinks. Now I'm going to click on text and add text box. I'm going to write spring stickers. I'll make this bigger and I want to change the font to something a little more fun. I'm going to do this one. I also want it to have a background, kind of like how this had this oval background. I'm going to do something very similar. To do that, I need to click on Effects. I'll go down to Background. It makes it this ugly yellow color, but you can easily change that. And I'm just going to do white to make it simple. You can make it more transparent. You can make it bigger or smaller. I do want to make it a little smaller. And you can make adjust the roundness too. Okay, I think that looks good. I want it right in the center there. Then all I need to do is save this. I'll click Share, Download, and I'm just saving it as a PNG. Then I will be able to pull this into Cricut Design Space and add all my images. I found this watercolor spring bundle over on Creative Fabrica, so I'm just going to click Download and bring some of those into Cricut Design Space. I'll click on New. I'll go back down to Stickers and Labels. This time I'm going to click Custom, then Create. Now I'm going to pull in that sticker background. I've already uploaded it, but I'll show you how to do this. I'll just double click from my Downloads folder. I'll save it as a flat graphic. I hit Upload, then it'll pull it in. One thing you'll notice if I zoom in, it has this white border. I don't want it to have that, so I'm going to click Edit. I'll go to Sticker, and I am going to deselect the border. It also automatically chose Kiss Cut, and I want this to be a die cut. It automatically chose the Easy Peel edge. I need to unselect that. Now I can bring in my own images. I'll go to Upload. I've already uploaded the images. To upload these, I just follow that same process. I'm going to bring these into Cricut Design Space. I'll just hit the plus on all of these. I am going to add quite a few more stickers. That first one didn't have a ton, and I like that you can put more on here. Here's all the stickers. I am going to make them all a lot smaller. Then I'm going to rearrange them on this background. I am going to want to adjust the border because it's just pulls it in too big. I am going to add the flowers in a little better, but I'm going to adjust the border right now. I'll do this the same way. I'll just click on Custom and make it smaller. Then I'll double click, copy that, and make it all the same size. Okay, I played around with it quite a bit to make sure it all fit well on this sheet. You can do it however you want, but I think that looks great. I am going to just click the Make button, then just follow this same process. I will turn System Dialog on and adjust my print setting. This will print out, then I choose the same print setting, I just don't mess with the pressure settings. I'll have the Cricut cut these out, then I'll show you a last look at these. The die cut perfectly. The Kiss Cut was still a little off, so I'm going to have to play around with the cut settings. That is the hardest part with these stickers, but once you get it down, you should be good to go. This turned out so cute. I like that I added more stickers on, and I probably could have added even more. Here's what it looks like to peel that Kiss Cut sticker. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this Cricut update. I'm really excited about it. I think even if you don't do those backers, it's going to make things a lot easier. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you subscribed if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.